You have probably heard people say Bitcoin mining is dead. Most people think you need to spend thousands on mining rings, but the method I'm about to show you works with something you probably already own and it is on your hand right now. By the way, this method only works well before the next Bitcoin difficulty adjustment. So if you're probably watching this month later, you might have missed out. Now, method number 2 surprised me because it is not really mining in the traditional sense, but you still get paid in Bitcoin every single day. I saw one user make $120 in their first week using this exact method, and they were not even in a country with cheap electricity. And finally, the most passive method of them all, this one can run while you are literally asleep, and it could keep paying you for months without touching it. If you love this video and you want to continue getting videos like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. And if you love these different mining methods, wait until you see the one that pays you Bitcoin without mining at all, and it's going to be in the next video I will be dropping. The first website on the list is known as Crypto Tab Browser, and how you can get this: to go to any browser of your choice, go Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and search for cryptobrowser.site.in and click on the first link that is going to open up for you. And as you can see on this platform, this platform is only available for those of, as you can see, it's a fast browsing and a faster mining website. And to start earning on this platform is as simple as possible. Just simply go to Google Play Store and download their app. And after downloading their app, there are a lot of ways you can earn on this platform. You can earn money on this platform even when you are surfing the internet. So as you are browsing on this platform, you can also be earning money from this platform. And one thing about this platform is that this platform has been available for a long period of time, and there are partners to a lot of platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Payment Journal, where you can also be able to check out their reviews that people have been given on this platform. And this platform is not an easy penetrable platform. That means all your information on this platform is secured with security and filters to help you block any suspicious IP and also protect your passwords and personal data that you have given them on this platform. And also, this platform is a platform that also enables you to boost your mining potentials. That means if you want your mining potentials to increase more than others, then you can also cloud boost it here on this platform. And like I said, this platform, to download it, is only available on Google Play Store. And to scroll down, there are a lot of things you can be able to also see on this platform, as these are the earnings of people. Like I said, the cloud boost, you can see this is how you can cloud boost it. I have used this platform before, and I can tell you for truth that this platform is legit, and you can withdraw this money directly to your bank account. For you to start on this platform is as easy as possible. So just download their mobile app, like I've said, and also you can also share this platform to your friends, and when they sign up to this platform, you can also be making money from them. So this platform is a generational platform. That means the person you refer can also refer another person, and all their mining earning also, you'll be earning percentage from them. So check it out on Google Play Store, or first of all, go to their website, Crypto Tab Browser, click on the link to the Google Play Store, and you'll be able to download this app, which you can use to start mining cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular, for free. The second platform on the list is known as ECOS, that is spelled ECOS. Like I said, to get this, go to any browser of your choice and search for ECOS and click on the first link. So this is how you are going to get to see the platform, and this is also available for those of you that are interested to start learning about cryptocurrency and how you can also be able to start buying and selling of cryptocurrency. You can easily do it on this platform, and they are very trusted. So to get this on this platform is that you simply have to scroll down to this platform. But before I show you any other thing, I'm going to show you the partners that are also available for this website. So we have BTC.com. They also are partners to Bitman and Binance, Transact, Mercury.io, AWS, Canaan via BTC, and a lot of others. So for you to be able to sign up on this platform, simply have to scroll up and click on this three dash at the up bottom of this at the up of this platform. So this three dash you are seeing, you just click on it and you'll be able to see promo number one. You see cloud money, and you see rent AICS and buy AICS, but ASIC, but that is not what brought us here to this platform. So we are going to be clicking on cloud mining. So when you click on cloud mining, this is what is going to open. So it says start mining with ease. So this platform, you can start mining BTC without investing in any hardware. You can just start getting BTC from anywhere, starting at just $99. So as you can see, this one is for people that has the money. If you have the money to invest on this platform to help you start mining your Bitcoin, then this is the platform that you can use. But if you know you don't have the money for you to start investing on the platform, one of the best way is that you can also start mining for free on this platform. So to start mining for free on this platform is that you just have to register on this platform. You get the free mining access where you sign up for free, you mine for free, and you also get the trial mining. So you can get the trial mining, mine this Bitcoin, make your money, and leave the platform. That is just how it is. So for every information you want to get on this platform, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of this platform where you can get to see what is cloud mining is all about and how you can also start your cloud mining. And like I said, this platform is a paid platform, but you can start with their free mining platform where it will give you access to mine Bitcoin for free and you will make your money. So that is just how it is on this platform known as ECOS.am. But instead of going to search for this URL, just go to any browser of your choice and search for ACOS and click on the first link. That is just how it is. So there you go, easiest way to earn Bitcoin without the crazy cost or complicated setup. But here is a thing: mining isn't the only way to grow your Bitcoin, and in my next video I will show you how people are getting paid in Bitcoin without mining at all, and some are earning more than the traditional miners. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop videos like this, and in turn I will feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this too.